Morning, students. We are again in computer application session. Few are raising hand. Any problem? Aryan. Yes, Aryan. Hello, okay.
Sir, allow us to unmute Sadi name.
I think I have allowed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Aryan. Veera. Yes, Veera. No problem. Okay, I hope we are not able to connect with the Aryan and Ayushi. So let's start today's session. Today we are going to see the questions that you attempted or you have seen your last sessions papers. For example, you have seen in your last semester, that was the 9th last semester. Some questions were there related to conditional statements. Mostly two categories of questions are there under this that surely come in your examination paper, either as it is a board or home exam from now. That is slab based calculation and direct calculation. These two categories of programs are the part of your examination paper, and surely from now till your board paper you will get at least 150 marks question related to either this or this. A student usually get confused in both calculations, and there is a difference in calculation, that is slab based and direct calculations difference. And what is that? What is that? Slab based, if I make a criteria for slab based and I make the criteria for direct calculation, you can easily understand what differences there, basic differences there. And that is what, suppose we are going to purchase some items, for example, pen, and its cost is something. Same thing we are making here, pen and cost. So a program is there, you are going to a shop to purchase a bulk of pens and you have to pay some amount, and the amount you will pay according to the given criteria. What is that? See, if you are saying first 50 pens, if you purchase only 50, means 45, 40, 46 or 10 or 15, so you will come in this category and you will be paying 3.5 rupees per pen. If you are getting next 50, means 50 pen you have taken, after that suppose you are taking 61 pen. So 61 means this 50 plus 11. This will fall in the first condition and this will fall in second condition. So here you will pay 3 rupees per pen. Next is saying afterwards 2 rupees 50 paise per pen. Means you have gone to purchase pen and shopkeeper is giving you facility to have a criteria in your purchasing. And what is that? If you purchase 50 up to 50 pen, so you will pay per pen 3 rupees 50 paise. If you are purchasing more than 50 single piece, suppose you are purchasing just 51 piece, so 51 means this 50 multiplied with 3.5 and one piece, that is excess from the 50, will be calculated with the 3 rupees. So your cost will be this way: 3.5 into 50 plus 1 into 3 rupees. This way your cost will be paid. This kind of criteria is called as slab-based programs, slab-based calculations. So when this program or this criteria is given to you, so you will follow the slab-based calculation method. And if the same is given this way, 0 to 50, so 3 rupees 50 paise per pen. If 51 to 100, so rupees 3 per pen. If more than 100, so rupees 250 per pen. Now you just compare the criteria. Here what is saying, see, if I have purchased 51 pen with this criteria, so 51 means starting 50 plus 1, starting 50 plus 1. If I have purchased 120 pens, so starting 50, next 50, 100 completed, now finally 20. So this way they will be calculated all steps. Cost will be taken stepwise, slab wise. Slab is what? Slab means first 50. Slab is what? Second 50. Slab is what? After 100. Same way, if we are coming here, so it is saying no, here no slab is there. Here is a range, and range is saying if I have purchased 45 pens, so I will pay each pen cost by 3.5. But if I have purchased 51 pen, so this says, this direct calculation says I will not break up this way. If I have purchased 51 pens, so directly this range I am going to follow. Which one? 51 to 100. I am coming in this range, so there is no connection with this. Directly I will pay 50 into 3 rupees, like that. Same way, if I have purchased 120, so 120 means you need not to break up it, no need of making slabs. You will directly come 0 to 50, no, 120 is not coming in this range. 51 to 100, no, 120 is not coming in this range. More than 100, yes, 120 is coming in this range. So 120 will be multiplied with 250. This way you will get the cost of 120 pens. So this is the basic, or you can say calculative difference between slab-based calculation and direct calculation. Now we will see the same program. We will see the same program, means same criteria in our programs. How they will be calculated, how they will be calculated. See, So we are going to see the criteria this way. We have a criteria where you have to purchase a pen, some pens, and pens will be costed by these criteria. So how they will be calculated? See, first we will take the value of pen. We will take a variable, likewise class pen or cost, white, male, and we will take a variable that is pen, p. P means pen. So we will insert how many pen we are going to purchase, and we are saying directly here, if p is more than or directly up to 50. Up to 50 means from 0 to 50. So you will what do? You will call 50, sorry, P, and you will directly multiply with 3 rupees 50 paise. Now many students have a problem. See what mistake they do. See, P, suppose we are taking 25. 25 is less than 50, condition true. That's why control will come here, will calculate P into 3.5. Many students write this way. Dear, you are not going to write the mathematics. You are going to give instruction to the computer. This special symbol computer will not understand this way. 3.5 you have written, that's enough. It is going in a variable you are needed to receive here. This is giving you idea which kind of data type should be there of the variable. So you do one thing. You take a variable of double type, double pay, pay equal to 0, 0. This variable you will call here pay. Now pay will receive the pen into 3.5 cost. After that you need not to go further. No, means you need not to print it. Just skip it. Pay has received. That's it. No need of printing here. You write the another condition, that is this. Ladder if. We will use ladder if to make our program a little bit faster like that. See, P is more than 50 and P is less than equal to 100. Understand this criteria? In this criteria, you are saying, see, you are going to cover this second one. You are saying first 50 starting to 50. After that, you have said second 50, so 50 plus 50, 100. So now you have said if the total number of pins are more than 50 but up to 100, means next 50. Next 50. So what will you do? Pay equal to P into 3.0. Those who are writing will not write. If you are thinking so you are wrong. This is a wrong practice. You are doing this activity or this kind of calculation in the direct calculation. So here what will you do? See, suppose we have taken P value as 75. So 75 means starting 50 and next 50. So here 75 is not going to handle. Control will come here. 75 is greater than 50. Yes. 75 is less than 100. Yes. In that case, control will come here. So you have to handle two things. Starting 50. So let's handle. Starting 50 will be calculated by 3 rupees 50 paise. तो जब हमने 50 निकाल दिया, तो now how much to pay? We have to pay only for 25. So for 25, what will you do? Plus, how will you get the 25? You will get 25 by P minus 50. What is P? P the value of where you are comparing the condition. The value you have given here. And what is minus 50? Already you have taken starting 50. So now you are deducting 75 minus 50 and then you multiply it the left, that is 3 rupees 0 pence. This is what? This is this condition. If first 50 is there, that is 3 rupees. First 50. If second 50 is there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, up to 100. Any value will come. So that will be divided into 50 plus 50 plus. Now you will proceed for third one. You are saying if your value is more than 100. So how will you write the condition? If P is more than 100 and P is less than equal to 150. Now you are going to handle the third slab, and third slab is saying, see, third slab is saying first 50 should be calculated by 3 rupees 50 paise. Second slab should be calculated by 3 rupees, and third slab will be of 250. How will you handle it? Suppose I say our given value is 115. This 115 is not directly coming here in this condition. How it will be handled? First, 115 is less than 50? No. 150 is greater than 50? Yes. Less than 50? 100? No. So it will fall now here. 115 is greater than 100? Yes. 115 is less than 150? Yes. In that case, you will call pay equal to first 50 you will write it into 3 rupees 50 paise plus second 50 into 3 rupees plus third 50, that is what left? 15. So 15 we will not get this way directly, we will get P minus 100 into 2.5. This way it is calculated. Now you have to do one more job. Every separate calculation you have to separate it. Like that. For example, like that. To make it specific. Now see, the calculation is taking place. First, we will take this value. 115 is following this criteria. Kaise? Not in this condition, not in this condition. So this is the third condition. And third condition is saying first, second, third. 3 50s are there. So this will be divided. First 50 minus how much remain? It is remained how much? Whatever comes, that will be subtracted with 50 and then finally remaining 50. So now see, this is first one, this is second one, and this is third one. So this way, these 3 criteria will be calculated. See, first criteria 50 into 3.5, first 50. Second criteria 50 into 3 rupees, and third criteria 15 into is 115 minus 100, 50 plus 50. So this way your slab is going to increase. Now if I go one more, suppose last condition, this last condition, and last condition is saying this way. If P is more than 150, means our taking value is suppose 160. So 160 means 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 10. This is first criteria, this is second one, this is third one, and this is fourth one. Now you have to what do? You have to multiply with this with 3 rupees 50 paise, this with 3 rupees, this with 2.5, and this with 2. How you will include in your program this thing? See, you will call first 50. 50 multiplied with 3 rupees 50 paise. This first one covered. After that, plus 50 into 3 rupees plus 50 into 2 rupees 50 paise. And finally, what is left? That will be P minus 150. That is multiplied with 2 rupees. And after this calculation, you will receive this value in P. Your calculation happened. Got it? Now, how to print it? Once you have calculated one time, you have to print it. System.out.print. The payable cost is plus paid. This is the part. Now from my part, means I have tried. Which portion you are not understanding, you can ask. Virat.
Sir, can you zoom the camera? Board is not clear.
Board is very clear, right? It is visible. I think you should see means your some problem is coming. Your screen either your screen will be or some problem will be there. But otherwise, from my side, it is coming clear. Board.
Okay, sir, I'm checking.
Okay, you check. You do one thing. Switch off your means connect your mobile. Then again connect. It will come. Saksham? Yes, Saksham. Saksham. Okay, those who have any kind of doubt, I'm going to pass some values here, then I'll explain, then again I will ask. If you have any doubt, you can ask here. See, now we are going to execute the program. Execution will be like that. Suppose P has taken 80. 80 means is starting 50 plus 30. Up now tell this will fall in which condition? Obviously, let's check. P is coming with 80. P is less than 50. Means 80 is less than 50. No. So it will come not here, but in this if. And this if is checking 80 is greater than 50. Yes. 80 is less than 100. Both conditions are satisfied. So if is getting true, because of that, control is coming here. And control is coming here, see, as it is given 80 as the value of P. I am writing this portion, calculating this portion here. So 80 is the given value. And 80 here will be divided into two parts because of making slab. And slab condition is what? Starting 50, next 30. Starting 50, next 30. So this 80 will be divided into two parts. Now, first condition and second condition both will be included. This is one slab, this is second slab. Got it? Now, this for one slab, we will what do? We will multiply it with 3 rupees 50 paise. That we are doing. And for second slab, how we will get 30? 80 minus 50. 80 is what? P. So P minus 50, that will give you that 30 will multiply with 3 rupees. So this way what will happen? Whatever cost is going to come here and here, they will be added. Same we have done. 50 multiplied with 3.5 plus. Got it? Clear? If I do the same program using direct calculation method. Same program using direct calculation method. So before going on that, one more value I want to pass because still some hands are there. See, suppose I pass here 120 or take some more values like 200, 160. P is 160. Now if I am taking value of P, see 160. So how we will make the slab? Starting 50, starting after that 50, after 50. How much covered? 150. What is left? That is fourth one. So shortcut technique works here. Whatever value you are giving, just for understanding from your side, whatever value have been given, just break them in the given criteria. And which one is coming at the last? This will be focused here. Others will be focused according to their slab. This will be from 3 rupees 50 paise. This will be from 3 rupees, and this will be from 2 rupees 50 paise, and finally 2 rupees. So how they will calculate it? See, 160 is greater than less than 50? No. 160 is less than 50? No. Condition false, control moves to next condition. 160 is greater than 50? Correct. 160 is less than 100? False. Condition moves for next check. Means control move for next condition. 160 is greater than 100? Correct. 160 is less than 150? No. Condition false, control move for next checking. 160 is greater than 150? Yes. So finally control comes here. And then what happens? Your slab has been divided as we have seen here. See, starting 50, 3 rupees. After that, next 50, next 50, next 50. Suppose we have given 210. How they will be divided? How they will be divided? Who will explain? Jaldi, quick. Ready? Okay. Shivans Tripathi. Shivans. Where have you? Shivans. Anushka Yadav.
Good
Yes.
morning, sir.
Good morning. Suppose your given value is 210. Now, first thing you will explain how this will be broken and how they will be calculated. How we will break it in this given criteria. Anushka, are you alive? Sam, in one question she fainted. Oh my God. Anushka? See here, many are raising a hand for explanation. No, this way I will not ask now. Sudiksha. Will you try? Sudiksha. Divyanshu Kumar. Divyanshu. Make yourself unmute. From my side, I have done. Yes, sir. Okay, tell. If you are given values, first thing, have you understood what I told? No, sir. Not understood. Very good. Wonderful. How will you explain if you are not understand? Kavya Kirti and Siddhant. Then, means you are not focusing here. Natik Chaudhary, Natik.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Have
Sir,
you understood it? Please.
Yes.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So your time starts. Suppose your given value is here 210. How it will work? Let's start execution.
Sir, first of all, condition will be checked. Int p. User will give the value 210.
Okay.
Then it will come to if block. Then it will be checked. If p is less than or equal to
50.
50, then the condition will be false because the given value is 210.
Very
So
good.
it will not execute the value of pay. It will directly come to if.
Okay.
Then the condition will be checked. 210 is greater than 50 and less than 100.
Wonderful.
This is also false. This is also false. So it will come to directly to if. Then again it will be checked. P is greater than 100 or and less than or equal to 150. This is also false. So it will come to so it
What
will come
condition?
there.
What
So
condition?
it will
Then.
then 210 is
Going to
Then-
divide how many parts?
there 50 slabs will be created. Four parts of 50.
4 parts of 50 or 4th part will be 60. 50, starting 50, next 50, next 50, then 60. 10 is there.
Yes, sir.
So see, this is going to cover first 50, this is going to cover starting means after 50, next 50, then next 50. So 150 we have covered here, and finally what is remaining, that is the 4th condition. So how the calculation will be done? See, starting 50, next 50, next 50, and then 210 minus 150. Are we getting 60 here?
Yes, sir. 60.
Clear, man?
Yes, sir.
This way it works. And then finally, whatever calculation will be there, that will be given to pay and will be printed. Many students, what does I tell you? The mistake what they do, they start calculating here. Why you will calculate? See, this I am telling because I have to explain you how it is working. This I am writing because I have to explain you how the value will be given, how the value will work for different condition. But we have got the 10th copies, and I am very surprised. Whatever value I am giving here, they have written the values also. They have written the executed program also, but they have not done anything from their side. Parrot, you know, if you want me parrot, so no problem. You can do anything, whatever we are saying. But use a common sense means we are giving value here. And then you are writing value also. You are making calculation also. And the main thing you are not writing, what is the program? What is the heading for that? Many of you have not completed your work. Only few copies I have got who has written wonderfully. One copy is there of Abhinav Sharma of 10th. He has written wonderful. Till now, whatever copies I have checked, that I have got. Otherwise, many copies are there. Means we are just watching and being what you have written, just 3-4 pages. Means I have not got any program. At least 10 plus programs I have got. No one has written. Mostly of have not written. One program, 2 program, hardly. Simple. Even I have given homework also. That is also not appearing in your copy. Wrong. Very wrong. Learning in one day, you cannot crack any exam. Keep in mind. In one day, learning in one day, studying in one day, you cannot crack any exam. It needed a continuous practice. When exams come, you start studying. That time you cannot prepare because they are very confusing. If I give you the same questions, I assure 170 plus students are there here. 60 plus. 40% of students will commit mistake. Whether I will do 3-4 programs here, surely they will commit mistake. Surely. The reason is that you are not focusing on the logic. You are focusing, sir has written, bas likh lo, chhap lo. That's it. Exam में भी I will learn. If 50 is greater than, और गलती से अगर 100 आ गया तो वो वही 50 उतार. That is all. Please, means try to understand. Logical subjects we cannot take like theories. We have to understand, then we can go. Many hands are there. I will take hands at last. Okay? Queries at last. So these are the questions, sorry, these are the conditions that is going to follow this slab based. Slab based. Now, if I make this in direct calculations, you will get a minor difference here, and see how I can make a minor change to make the same program in the direct calculation. See, pen is same, 0 to 50, cost will be 3 rupees 50 paise. 51 to 100, 3 rupees. 101 to 150, 2 rupees 50 paise, and more than 150, that is 2 rupees per pen. Suppose same question is written like this. Now you know all conditions will be same. All conditions. I am not going to remove any condition. Only what part will be removed? C. This will be same. Starting condition will be okay. Second condition, if value of P is more than 50 and less than 100, so payment you need not to break in slab now. Reason, वो सीधे एक रेंज में आ रहा है. Slab means it is going and following a slab, starting slab, afterward, मतलब floor बने हुए. But here it is said a range, and range value is what? Suppose I have given 61. So 61 is not going to follow this range, going to follow this range. So our direct calculation says we will take every value calculation multiplication with 3 rupees only. So payment is equal to P into 3 rupees. अभी ये सबको आसान लगेगा. This will appear easier for everyone. See how easily we have done. Condition we have written. P value is more than 50. Less than 100, so direct call P and multiply with 3, direct calculation over Y, because belonging from this range. Second thing, if P is more than, then suppose we have taken 125. So 125 is what? 5100. This is not coming under this criteria. Sorry, this criteria. So what will happen? 125 will come in this criteria. Which criteria? P value is more than 100 and less than 150. In that case, what will happen? P value will be called here and directly calculated by 2 rupees 50 paise. This 2 rupees 50 paise calculation will be done belonging from a range value. Range value. You have to understand 125 is belonging from this range. Got it? I think your teacher is not. Who is it? 90. Wait for it. Is it okay? So this way direct calculation can be. Now take this one. Third one we have done. Now if your pen purchased means amount is more than pen number is more than 150, like 200 we have taken. So 200 not belonging here, not following this condition, not following this condition. So will directly fall in this condition. You need not to write anything else. No slab. So what will you write? Payment directly P into 2 rupees. That's it. This is direct calculation. And examinations both can come, either direct or slab based. Mostly chances are there slab based will come in board, but sometimes your luck is there, so direct calculation also works. But important thing is that you need not to write the system.out.print every time. Calculate all, do it final, and finally you come at last and do it pay. Now see what happens. Suppose this condition gets true. So control has to cross this statement. Then it will go here to terminate the program. So when this statement will be encountered, obviously this value payment will be printed. Same thing happened when this is calculated. This is calculated, condition is true. After calculation, control will come outside. Before going out to terminate, this statement will encounter, and then will print the cost of payable cost, whatever. Sorry, this is it okay? Difference you got? Difference you got, everyone? So if copies are with me, no problem, but you do one thing, simple. A simple question I am giving, both direct as well as lab based, same question, and you have to do in your rough copy for practice. Can I remove this? Have you written? So this part I am going to remove. Printing part only. You can print here. Now see, question is like that. You are going to a shop and you have purchased some shirts in bulk. So number of shirts and cost. Shirts and cost. Shirts are there. Suppose you have purchased first 20 shirts. So you will pay 350 rupees per shirt. Next 20, 300 rupees per shirt. Next 20, 275 rupees per shirt. And afterwards, ₹250 per shirt. Slab based program. After that, same program, 0 to 20, 350 rupees per shirt. 21 to 40, 300 rupees. Next, 41 to 60, 275. And more than 60, 250 per shirt. ईमानदारी से बिना नकल मारे do one time, and such way you can make multiple questions from your side, like especially focus on slab based. Like you can make, I have gone to a shop, I have purchased 5 copies, 10 copies, 20 copies, like that. So first 5 copies, next 5 copies, next 5 copies, like that you can. Cost you can decide. Practice will make you perfect. So what do programs you can generate from your side and write it. And if more efficiency you want, execute directly on computer. So you will come more efficient. हाँ सही हो रहा है कि नहीं, that you will come to. Is it okay? Clear? So any queries there? Dipesh.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, that in pen question, that pen and cost, you said that first 50 will cost 3.5. Miss, sorry, sir. If there will be given next 100, then what will be the condition given?
Next 100 means?
Next, like you are given first 50, 3.5.
Starting 50 and then next 100. Next 100. Same you can put here. First 20 and suppose I have written next 50. So now how will you handle it? You tell.
So first we will first 20 we will multiply into 350.
Directly, and how will you handle second one? So you will do this way. This second one, how will you handle? Total is how much? 70 now.
Yes, sir.
20 plus 50, 70. So second condition will follow up to 70. So you will do this way. P or short is greater than 20, but it should be less than 70. That's the same way. You can handle.
And sir, we will subtract from
We will
20, no?
shirt, listen, shirt minus 20. This is the starting value. That will be, that already you have calculated. See, 20 into 375 you have calculated. First one, sorry, 350. After that, plus shirt minus starting 20 you have calculated. Then whatever comes will be multiplied with 300 rupees. That's it. This way. Other change will not be there. Only range you will increase, other things will be same way. You will have the same slab, same calculation you will do. As the slab increase, you will follow this one. This is 20, this is 50. So next time when you will come for this slab, so you have to focus, second slab was of 50. According to that you have to calculate, means that also I tell. Suppose we are here now, third condition we are following, means suppose we have purchased 78 shirts. So 78 means starting 20 multiplied with 350 rupees plus next 50 multiplied with 300 rupees plus whatever remained shirt minus 70 multiplied with 275. So why confusion is there? This way you can. Got it? But your given question right now, I'm not making it complex, don't worry. Right now we have given this one. So focus on in one pattern. In next time I will take some more questions from both sides. So I will give you on various patterns how you will handle. Got it?
Sir, because in the board that type only question is
I
coming.
know.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Welcome. Your question have been solved. Devesh, sorry, what is Dipesh?
Yes, sir.
Ternary operator.
Sir, I have solved in the copy, but
Right,
I'm
so
not.
you can call me, I said, I am in school, you can come and consult to me. Okay.
Sir, I can.
Hello.
Sir, I can text you a message in the WhatsApp.
You can send. Whatever you have done, you can send. I'll send back to you.
Okay.
Welcome. Snigdha.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So whenever we are taking a slab-based program, so we are and when we are breaking the numbers, so we are breaking at it at the difference of 50.
Every time not. This is depending on questions. This is depending on question. How will you break this on the basis of 50? Now your breaking should be on 20, 20, 20. Suppose I write here 100. Now your breaking should be 20, 100 and 20. So that is depending on question. Let some such categories question comes. In next class, I will tell you with one more question that how if the difference is there. Right now we are doing similar pattern. But if the difference is there, suppose 20, then 60 is there. So how will you solve it? How will you handle it? Got it? Okay. So don't worry. Wait for next week, next period. Then I'll explain. Soumya.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
You said in the beginning that in the lab manual we have to write programs at least more than 20 programs.
20 programs. So now you can start it.
Okay.
Now, if you are means I tell you what will be the pattern. Those who are watching this time 130 only there. Just before few minutes there were 160. So those who are your friend, whoever your friend, please mind it carefully. How will you write in your copy? Okay, one time I will tell you in your next class also. the writing procedure, correct writing procedure is there. And one more thing is there, these all videos is being uploaded time to time on your school website. Last two videos have been uploaded, 15th and 17th, 19th also, maybe today or tomorrow it will be uploaded. So whatever videos are there, if you want revision, you can go for that. Next thing, you will write this way, program 1, then program, what program is there? After that coding, you will do the coding. This is the heading of this program, write a program, whatever. This is the coding. After that, see, this you have done from one side where the lines are there. Rule means lining is there. On the blank side of the page, you will write this way, input. Up, suppose you have taken various inputs. So input 1, input 2, input 3. And according to that, what output is coming? 1, 2, 3. And most important thing is there, program coding. And then you have to write the variable description. What is this? I will explain in next class, in the starting. Before starting the class, this is the pattern. Using this, you will write in your copy, practical copy, computer practical copy. And be sure that whatever program you are writing are executed on the computer with some values. This it should be correct. Got it? Okay, so we are leaving class already. We are late, 8 minutes late. Saksham. 2 hands you are raising. Yes.
So we have to write. So you will tell us the programs which we have to write.
I will give you the list. Means more than 30 programs I will give you list. In the list, among those programs you have to select 20 programs. Any selective 20 program, that will be your choice.
Okay.
Okay. List I will publish on the website, but list will be like that. Whatever portion I am covering, suppose I have covered today slab based.
Yes.
So till slab based 5 questions I will give you. Out of 5 you will decide 2 you want to write, 3 you want to write, or whatever you want. Then when I will cover loop, again I will post over the net. So you will decide 2 or 3 you have to write, 4 you have to write, 5 you have to write. So likewise it will be. Together I will not give. Okay, at once I have given and you are rushing for completing it. No. Slowly, 5, I will give.
Okay.
Sir, I had to ask one more thing.
Yes, ask. We are already.
Sir, we can use different color pens in the lab manual.
Only 2 color with pencil, black, blue, and for input and output, 1 color you can use, another color, either pencil or any other color. Don't decorate it, no, not more decorate. Only your name, index should be filled. Index also include this program, which program you are doing on first number, second number, third number. That is needed to be filled. I'll explain. Don't worry. I'll show you one copy how it is written. Okay. Thank you to all.